Hello everyone, I hope all of you are doing good. Today I am excited to share about the special scholarship information called Help Win Scholarship sponsored by Eaton India Foundation. It is not just a scholarship, it is a helping hand for the students who are going through a tough financial situations. This program provides a support up to for 3 years and comes up with a reward of 25,000 rupees every year, acting as a supporting system for the families who are facing the financial difficulties so that they can continue with their child education. If you want to get to know about more scholarship opportunities like this at the right time, then level up your scholarship game with a Plus membership. Get a personalized dashboard, be the first to know about the matching scholarship and enjoy the prompt support. Grab the exclusive 40% off as an introductory price for a limited period of time. Upgrade now for only $599 to unlock your scholarship journey. Link in description box. Let's come back to the video. If you are thinking of applying this scholarship, then here is what you need to know. The applicant must be citizen of India. Family income of the applicant must be less than 5 lakhs rupees. The applicant must be referred by any Eaton employee or Eaton NGO foundation. This scholarship is open for all genders and applicable for all the courses of the institutions recognized under AICTE, NAC, UGC or government. This scholarship covers the students from grade 1 to till post-graduation. Families who have experienced the loss of one or more family members or cumulatively hospitalization of 15 days or more since January 2020 are eligible. If you feel that this scholarship is not suitable for you, then you need not to worry. We have multiple active scholarships on our portal, the Global Scholarship, link in description box. To apply, ensure that you have all the necessary documents: passport size photograph, ID proof, address proof, income proof, bank passbook, latest mark sheets, current proof of admission like admission letter, bona fide certificate or the school or the college fees receipt, and optionally you can also have the PAN card number and domicile certificate, proof of the relationship with the hospitalized or deceased like birth certificate, ration card or the school certificate. To apply for this scholarship, hit the link given in the description box. If you like the content what we are doing, then please show us some support by hitting the like button. Let's come back to the video. If you are already a registered user, please log in with your credentials. If not a registered user, then register yourself and update your profile. If you find any difficulty in registering yourself and updating your profile, I have created another video. Please watch this and complete the process. Once you are done with the registration, log into your application, then click on search and apply. Search for the Help Win Scholarship and click on the apply button. So now let's fill out the details like how did you get to know about this scholarship. Select the option accordingly. Upload the bona fide certificate, number of family members in your family, what kind of the crisis the student is facing, was the person an earning member, select the option yes or no, what is the relationship with the family member, then please upload the death certificate or the medical report, what is the parent or the guardian nature of employment, select the option accordingly, then click on the checkbox which declares that all the given above information are true and click on the submit button. In times of crisis, education should not be compromised. The Help Win Scholarship with a reward of 25,000 stands as a pillar of support for the students who are in need. If you meet the eligibility criteria, then don't hesitate to apply. Your education matters and Help Win is here to ensure you to continue with your academic journey. Apply today, best of luck and share this information with someone who is in need of it. Signing off, take care.